And like one time listen, everybody have sense and I come to reality of life, you know, bro. You see me, I say everybody, bro. Me prefer come tell a man about my life story every time, bro. And show a man say, yo, the life story is normal, dog. You hear me, I tell you, no, brother. And whether right now, me just sit down, me have to give thanks, bro. That me I tell you because the Father God make it possible, brother, and nobody. And Uno and God make it possible, bro. If I name Uno could I make it possible, how is that possible? So yo, I have to show respect to everybody, brother. When time, we know they know, we still gonna make sure so we're there somewhere in our life, brother. I live alright and happy, brother, and comfortable, brother. You see me? And unity, dog, and that we need, and the strength, dog, and the love. And that we short and that we need, bro, God. Watch your rain we have fall. Watch your rain we have fall. Enough people feel screw up right now, you know. Enough people feel screw up right now, and enough people life are safe right now, you know, bro. Cause on a big man level, dog, if I never that happy, bro, if I never for TikTok, enough youth that dead and gone already. If I never for that happy, enough youth that dead and gone already. And that happy save enough youth life. So why everybody want to come with the one bag of jam and fuck up it up and make it people them if dip on the up and run away. And we have to stand up strong and fight this, bro. And everybody on the up negative, you know, and so make people make it thing feel like everybody will dip on the up negative, bro. And everybody on the up are negative, you dog. Bad man, I just youth them to stay firm. Youth them not firm because the app has show up enough for them, you know. The app here show up enough for you, them they not firm. You have some good youth come on TikTok, now them turn a TikTok go, bro. On a big man level there because they not firm, they can't hold out, bro. Because them things say people overall no show love to certain things or them feel like being negative people on the earth, bro. Well, you're mad, you have good people there, bro. You have good people there, bro. Why hear good things, brother? And not be a negative people there, good people there, why hear something good. But watch, I look what them do. Them a mash up it and I run the people them from half fighting, bro. Because the people them tired of fakeness, brother, what them a do, dog. When not real, bro. And some people were negative, you know, and some people really have no sense. I go follow back at them thing there, brother. But you see people with have sense, the bigger people them will have sense out there, bro. They now go follow it up. You hear me I tell you, brother? So them actually run off and many people off up, bro. Because I mix up on the jam, brother. You them no militant, dog. You see, if I never TikTok, we wouldn't know some people's story. We would never know how some people life. We wouldn't even know how some people live, bro. You hear me I tell you, no? On a big man level down. But they say, dog, but they say, me I pray. Yo, chat, pour out up the screen for me, please. But they say, dog, me I pray life different. Me I pray, say, yo, right now, if you tell you the truth, any of TikTok for blam and can't turn on back. A whole heap more young youth are losing way and gone out there, bro. Believe, bro. I tell you that, bro. And that them want, bro, them a try to mash up the app. You hear me I tell you, brother, if you run off the people, them and left the negative people out there, bro. Bro, man can't fight the back with too much negative, brother. We need some positive people out there to help you fight this battle here. Because if you don't help you fight it, you can't go at me in a life, you know, bro. You can't go at me in a brother, in a life, you know. Oh, if it happen. Oh, if it happen, bro. Good night, friend. Good night, you know, man. You see me? That me I tell you, no, brother. Bad man, yo, we small, you know, brother. A small, we, you know, brother. Call and the vibes cartel too. How are you? You know me good though. Power tap the screen for me, sir. Yo, brother, right now, Vibes Cartel, me a call on Vibes Cartel right now for turn on the live. See, all of them could mix up and jam ya, run off fire up, dog. Because you come like a dog alone can't tap it, brother. A man alone can't come turn on the live and make people ball pan you up, bro. You hear me I tell you, brother? Because if him no come turn on the live, brother, jam I go fuck up TikTok because watch a whole heap of big people where they want to shoot back strength to we, bro. Them not go there. Them a go away. Because then, so, and everybody dealt in a mix up, you know, because everybody are coming to reality of life, man. You hear me I tell you that everybody are aiming for progress, you know. Everybody are aiming for better for somebody out there can motivate them, can elevate them, you know. Can even motivate them, youth them, see them way, you know. None of that no there again. No influencer no there again. I be a mix up influencer there. You see me? I be a mix up on one bag of jam there now. Every scroll, there is a mix up, brother. Every scroll, there is a mix up, bro. That me I tell you, dog. You come like no real people there. Like I be a weak soldier there. You come like I be a weak soldier there, brother. No firm soldier there, brother. Boy, you see we little fans, brother. And them who want to stand up strong, brother. And can make your movements move on the right level, brother. You hear me I tell you, brother? Boy, everybody does feel everybody there everywhere, brother. Because I jam. And even youth them who go to school nowadays and learn. Because all of them watch TikTok and them keep up with the jam, you know. They need to go to school go do no work again, you know. We show you, you know, because I TikTok jam, you know. You see me? Hold on, no, this. Your father, you know, say me not really play no much with my dog.
Alright.
Swipe. No, swipe.
You see me, I don't really want to send a request and they just go run out, you see me? That look away, it's better me just answer and tell him straight. Power tap the screen. You see me? That me I say, you know say yo, on a big woman level brother, on a big woman level dog. On a big woman level bro. People over here dog, you come like say yo, you come like say dog. We just deal with in a negativity every day bro. Just that we deal with in every day dog. I tell you that. I tell the man on a big woman level bro. For my behalf dog. You see me? For my behalf bro. Too much negative people there. I want handful of we there, you know. I want handful of we there, you know. And they come like we can't fight them at all, them better than we. I tell you that. Can't fight them bro. Them better than we. But when I say now, on a big man level, I don't know how a youth that really sit down and meds them friend. Because we see enough youth sit down and meds them friend and go hurt them friend brother. For no reason at all. You hear me I tell you dog, too much friend killer there dog. No much friend a kill friend dog and still a come around him and a come a funeral and a come act like that and they don't know nothing about it brother. Too much friend killer there, you don't even know who to trust. Nowadays they come like say yo loyalty and money run loyalty right now. Because you have to have things to people they run right now. You say if you don't have nothing, nobody not choose to stay around you bro. If you can't do nothing for nobody not stay around you bro. And at that me see, you see me? And at that me there see bro. Nobody a move, everybody just there and a meds bro. Dog, you can't meds to kill your friend them brother. You can't have meds to do that dog. What kind of meds that bro? Dog, we need to want trust bro. Nowadays, if you don't have car and money and can help a man, the man not show no loyalty to you bro. And one time I never say go dog. I don't know how a man sit down and plan to kill them friend bro. You see me, I don't know how a man sit down and plan to hurt them friend dog. Dog, I don't know how some man do it bro, but we can't do it. We never have that in our meds dog. We never meds that bro. We show loyalty on a different level from we are bro. And any boy you see, this minute in here we dey down on the ground you know bro. And when time a man starts see a rise in the dog, 100 man they run you know. And then just they run for what you can do for them you know. Then just they run for when the things done you know. Then gone you know. It's a next man table then there you know. Believe you know, them not stay around for too long you know brother. You hear me I tell you no? They not turn around for too long man. As you quint them disappear, you wonder say yo where them gone. You see me? Yo, they can't take time with that so. You see me? On a big man level dog. And I yet still a beer that you see happen bro. Yo, I'm gonna show you this bro. You look away if you know say you have a friend and you can't tell a friend you have a 50,000 bro. Because when I get bad mind and jealous and envy bro. When the 50,000 they are share for you all away dog. Yes still might be give a man one 2 grand or 1 3 grand out of it. A man are looking at himself and I say deserve more. Why bro? Then later, you see man a different man plan up and come take it from you bro. That is how I see friendship around dog. Friend a kill friend bro, nowadays dog. Anytime you see a youth dead bad man, your friend always have something to do with it bro. Them not just jobs so brother. Them friend always have something to do with it. No joke thing bro. Enough man go for ends a year, enough man go for ends a year man a pray for not them friend bro. And them never yet go tell them friends you know say that dog a pray. You see me? For a big man level. And they know about it and when time then dead then come on a ball and I go on like them innocent. And I go on like they know nothing about what I go on bro. And the things that I know and the things that man been through bro. Cause me I tell you this that me remember one time the police say me running pa we in our house bro gun. And the police turn to me and say, yo, me I go back for the next youth or whole before we come for them youth. Say you want to tell me say I switch a man switch pa we and a leak a man leak pa we bro. Yeah, me I tell you that cause me see my owner dog what we are bad with bro. I do everything with bro. Have police in a lane and wait pa with dog. For sure your dog and him a influence we if you go in there go do things bro. That time the man him be there wait pa for slap with dog. But you see true we are youth dog. We never did believe in the Almighty, you know, but the Almighty make we have to believe in Him. Because we never believe in Him, but He make me have to believe in Him. You sure we say, oh, He my man, you think of you? Or me? He my man. Believe. I'm really experiencing it myself, bro. Yeah, me I tell you that I'm really experiencing myself, bro. Brother, I'm there in the community, you know, because a little juvenile that run up and down, you know, bro. And I tell you this. When I'm there around the bro, them in the dog, I tell you this, the things say you a good life we a live. And when you think say a happy life we a live bro, a worse life. Cause me can tell you dog, you see karma reach me dog till me drop on my face bro and can't get up. No know what to turn till me start crazy say yo me I go give up. You hear me I tell you brother? And what? I'm a real charge them with the road bro cause we have a lot of friends you know. Our real bro them bro make we lift up bro and say yo believe dog. Yeah, me I tell you brother no give up bro in a life. Because watch out, when me really see say yo me go around my mother for 1 year and then my mother dead dog. And me I say yo right now me lose my mother. Me not have nothing else to live for bro. Because the end of the day me never did grow up with him. And since me a big man brother. And since me a 26 year old, no 26. And since me about 26 year old, me know my mother dog. Yeah me I tell you, since me about that brother. I know my old lady bro and me there around her for 1 year bro, then she dead after dog. And I give up, me did a plan to give up bro. Yeah, me I tell you because look away for me say yo you're not there around your mother. From your band dog, a people are there around bro, a people grow me in a dog. Yeah, me I tell you dog, till me end up go up on my own dog and me there hold it dog and we still been struggle bro and hold it out dog. So me can tell you them say yo no matter what them a go through in a life, no matter how struggles bro, hold you up bro. Because watch out, me there start talk to you and I like say my life good. Me still a go through struggle bro, me still a go through pain bro. Them a pain do them a dog. A pain put on all of them a bro, believe you know. But we come and say every day and make people feel like a good dog, but we no good bro. But we just try to make people good. We try to come out and say come tell people different things. Show people the right level because we not have to remember you know you man young you know. We could have come out as a dog and in a mix up and jam bro. We could have come out as a dog and do be a fucker dog bro because watch a fuck with people pay attention to you know brother. People not to pay attention to something we good you know. People overall pay attention to fuckery, a lot of fuckery bro. You hear me I tell you brother? At them kind of way them see people pay attention to dog. On a big man level bro. You hear me I tell you dog? But we still I try to show them say dog we not have to involve in a mix up and jam, have to do it. We can't do it without a mix up bro. You don't feel like say yo, if I don't really believe we can creep on them like ants man. And that's why some man move like ants in the youth. I creep on them like ants in the brother. We don't do nothing else, we just move like a ants bro. You hear me I tell you bro? You say if we live like ants, we'd have better off in this brother. We could live like ants and say we're better off in this. But we not live like ants. You feel like ants bad mind? You feel like ants corrupt? Devil they are did. You feel like ants corrupt? You feel like ants bad mind? Eh? Ants no bad mind and ants no corrupt brother. But human being corrupt. Human being corrupt and ants no corrupt. So I just try to show you. So why you can't live like them? When you just corrupt so? You just corrupt so brother? Come on man. You can't live so brother. Yo, you just mix up a corrupt and a corrupt other people and I left this a devil where go on? Where are they? And you just corrupt it up brother. Right now some real people dog. They don't like it mix up brother. They might left it up and some big top people too. I run left it up you know. People say them tell you one bag of jam and one bag of mix up to this like that. As you scroll I to see. As you scroll I to see I jam and mix up. As you scroll I to see. Young, bear too money gone now. Young, bigger too money gone now. I don't know if you can give me 2 money gun, man. So much can I want to go in this. Put up yourself and I will do that.